He made this one.
Hey, yeah, hey. Bitch, I'm on go. I won't never fucking stop till I head to the top. Cause I'm ballin' like the clock. And I hope she gave me slop in a drop top. Heard you talking to the cops with the op. Bitch, I'm winning and you see me on a mission. And I'm steady getting money, yeah, I gotta keep the vision. And they left that boy for dead, got him swimming with the fish. And the police on my head, so I'm steady hopping fists. 3 shots to the leg, now that boy steady limping. Told that bitch to give me head, hell nah, ain't with the kissing. OG whipping in the pot, catch him cooking in the kitchen. Steady talking, I told Nick, now your ass gon' end up missing. Nah, high fuck, rolling like a stone. Say you down the ride, but switch your sound like what you want. And the way she gave me head, I need another bitch comb. Now I'm about to roll out the backwood, fuck a grab a leaf. I wonder why all these toxic hoes keep attracting me. I heard you fuck him and him, so you an actor to me. I heard she was an Asian, but she look black to me. Said you up 20 bands, sound like Cap to me. Said you got Zaza, but it look like Bap to me. He selling mid, fuck this one babysitter when she was watching kids. We caught him telling on the stand, talking to the pigs. Heard you fucking on that, I just like to beat a back. Instead of getting to no rap, heard you snitch, boy, you as a rat. Smoke his ass like a pack, got the beam aiming at his back. Can't say what happened after that, they no kiddo on the speaker fat. Got shots, got her on the track, I'ma beat his ass with a bat. And I'm all about my sack, that boy pussy like a cat. And we could go tit for tat, smoke his ass just like a black. Now my pocket's getting fat, and it ain't no turning back. Steady talking, what's the chat? We stain his ass just like a tat. And how you riding on our flat, that boy Cap, he need a hat. And I wanna cop a scat, and she acting like a brat. Until I laid her on her back, then take off, can't lay with that. They know Kato, he the piece to the puzzle. And talk about no nipsey, but I'm all about my hustle. You can tell I'm on my grind, cause I got it out the muscle. And all my niggas, they gon' blow, and I ain't talking about no bug. Catch me running with that sack, and I promise I won't fumble. And this war with everybody, we can have a Royal Rumble. They like Kato, you a beast, you belong in the jungle. Ain't no trippin' time my shoes, cause it ain't no time to stumble. When I listen to you rock, all I ever hear is mum. Yeah, I see you going up, but in the end, it's gon' crumble. Yeah, I keep my head up, and I just gotta stay humble. The way I run this money up, they see my vision on tunnel.